Hey everyone, welcome back.
Hey guys, today we're looking at some common English mistakes.
Yeah, and I think I make some of them.
Let's see if that's true.
Okay, I'm a little nervous now.
Mistake 1, return back.
So, about tomorrow, I'll return back around 6, and then we can set things up.
Wait, return back.
Yeah, is that wrong?
It's a common mistake. You don't need back. Return already means go back.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, just say, I'll return around 6.
Okay, no back.
Mistake 2, discuss about.
Then we can discuss about the plan.
There's another one.
Again?
Yeah, discuss doesn't need about.
So, what should I say?
Discuss the plan.
Yeah, that sounds better.
Mistake 3. I didn't went?
By the way, I didn't went to the place yesterday. Did you go?
That's a very common mistake.
I thought so.
After didn't, use the base verb.
So not went?
Right. Say, I didn't go.
Okay, I get it.
Mistake 4. He don't.
Oh, and I talked to Jake. He don't want to bring the speakers.
Okay. Another common one.
Oh no.
With he, she, or it, use doesn't.
So, he doesn't want?
Exactly.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Mistake 5. I am agree.
Honestly, I am agree with him. The speakers are too heavy.
And one more mistake.
Seriously?
Yeah. Don't say I am agree
Why?
because agree is a verb.
So, what do I say?
I agree with him.
Okay, I agree.
Mistake 6. I very like it.
By the way, I very like this place. It's perfect for the event.
Ah, small mistake.
Again?
You don't say very like.
So, what should I say?
Say, I really like this place.
Oh, okay. Really like.
Mistake 7. She didn't came.
Oh, and Sarah didn't came yesterday, right?
Another common one.
Let me guess. Wrong verb?
Exactly. After didn't, use the base form.
So not came?
Right. She didn't come.
Okay, I see the pattern now.
Mistake 8. We are 3 people.
So we are 3 people for the event team.
That sounds a bit unnatural.
Really?
Yeah, we usually say, there are 3 of us.
Oh, that sounds more natural.
Exactly. Mistake 9. I have 25 years.
Also, one of the guests said, I have 25 years. That sounded strange.
Yeah, that's a classic learner mistake.
So, what's correct?
In English, we use be for age.
So,
I am 25 years old.
got it.
Mistake 10. Open the light.
Can you open the light? It's getting dark.
Haha, I hear that one a lot.
Let me guess. Also wrong?
Yeah. In English, we say turn on the light.
Not open?
Nope. Turn on.
Okay, good to know.
All right, that was 10 common mistakes.
Yeah, I made a lot of them.
But now you know how to fix them.
If you want more simple English like this,
Make sure you subscribe.
see you next time.
Bye.